Hello students, welcome back. As we have already completed our chapter number 5, I have also given some work to come do in your homework assignment from exercise section 2, question and answers. But I have not discussed yet of the questions from your book. So today in this video class I am going to discuss with you few short question answers of section 1 of your book. Okay, let us start. See in the page number 105, section 1, name the following. A gas necessary for respiration is oxygen. Gas necessary for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide. Atmosphere layer containing ozone layer, it is the mesosphere. A component of air which is important for growth of plants and animals, that is nitrogen. The product of fractional distillation of petroleum, so many things, petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG gas, etc. you can write. Now question number B, choose the correct options. Which of the following is not a product of fractional distillation of petroleum? Coal, diesel, petrol and kerosene, that is coal. The process of breaking down of food to release carbon dioxide, water, energy, it is called combustion, respiration, photosynthesis or exhalation, it is called respiration. Air is considered as mixture because its composition remains same everywhere. Its constituent retains their property. It has a chemical formula. The constituent cannot be separated by physical method. I think it's option B. It constituent retain their properties. Okay. Which of these is not a constituent of clean air? Nitrogen, water vapor, oxygen and sulfur dioxide. This is sulfur dioxide because it is a pollutant, not a constituent of clean gas. The food formed during photosynthesis is stored in the form of sugar, protein, salt and water. In the form of sugar. Now the next question, C, true, write T for true and F for false and correct the false statements. Troposphere is the outermost layer of the Earth atmosphere. No, it's false. Its exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. By volume, air contains 78% nitrogen and 11% oxygen. No, it's incorrect. 78% nitrogen is correct, but it is 21% oxygen. Green plants contain chlorophyll that helps in respiration. It's completely incorrect because it's false. Because chlorophyll helps to trap sunlight during photosynthesis, not respiration. Due to continuous increase in the deforestation and atmospheric pollution, the balance between carbon and oxygen and carbon dioxide in the nature has been disrupted. Exactly true. It is disrupted. It is the true statement. The free atmospheric nitrogen is converted into soluble nitrate from the organism which cannot consume nitrogen directly through the process of combustion. No, it is not by the process of combustion. It is called nitrification, by the process of nitrification. Now choose the correct options to fill in the blanks. Dash is an inert gas used in weather balloon. Helium or neon, it is helium. Dash is the preferred fuel for running automobiles as it is inexpensive and less polluting. It is CNG, compressed natural gas. During the burning process, fuel use up dash and release dash into the atmosphere. Fuel up is oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So exhausts of automobile, thermal power plants and factories are common examples of air pollutants. Number 5. The increase in the temperature of Earth atmosphere due to the increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide, not oxygen, is called a global warming. Now the next is match the following questions columns. Smoke, it is release carbon dioxide. Burning, it is no, its mesosphere. The artificial satellites are layer. Thermosphere, they are layer above the stratosphere. Nitrogen fixation, blue green algae, smoke. Okay. Next, circle the odd one. First one is mesosphere, atmosphere, troposphere. The hint is layer of atmosphere. This is called atmosphere. Helium, neon, oxygen, inert gas. It is neon is the helium and neon are inert gas. That means oxygen is the odd one. LPG, CNG, carbon dioxide. If gaseous fuel, you have to write. So gaseous fuel are LPG and CNG. So carbon dioxide is odd one out. Burning, respiration, photosynthesis are a process where required oxygen. So in burning and respiration, both oxygen are required, but in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is required. So photosynthesis, odd one out. Now kerosene, diesel and wood, liquid fuel. Kerosene and diesel are liquid fuel, but wood is a solid fuel. Okay. So these are the few short questions and from your section 1, and I have given you 2 questions to do in section 2. That give reason. Deforestation is the cause of global warming because it will increase the percentage of carbon dioxide in the air. Burning is a chemical change. Yes, burning causes reaction with the oxygen to give oxides, which is and the new substance are formed. So it is a chemical change. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for all organism. Yes, nitrogen is essential for all nutrients, essential nutrient for all organism because it provides some proteins, nitrates to the organism which consume. We use it for our growth. Photosynthesis and respiration in plants are different processes. Yes, photosynthesis in which carbon dioxide used to release oxygen, but in a respiration oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is released. Air is a mixture of not a compound. There are vast many reasons we can give, because air is a mixture of gases, because it contains the composition of air is not fixed in all places, varies from place to place. So components of air can be separated also. Component air cannot be represented by chemical formula, so it is also a mixture. Smoke is harmful. Smoke is harmful because it contains some poisonous gases like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, and sometimes carbon monoxide also, so they are harmful to us. Next, the distinguish between the following: exhalation and exhaled and inhaled air. Exhaled air, the air that we breathe out are called exhaled air, and the air which we inhale or breathe in is called inhaled air. Air pollution and global warming, the pollution caused the contamination of air with some harmful substances or harmful pollutants are called air pollution, and global warming is a sudden increase in the temperature of the Earth's surface due to the increase of carbon dioxide in the air or some greenhouse gases is called global warming. Burning is a fast process in which oxygen is required and carbon dioxide is released, while respiration is a slow process. Here also oxygen is required and carbon dioxide is released. Nitrogen fixation and combustion. Nitrogen fixation is the process of converting atmospheric nitrogen to some soluble nitrogen in the soil, which fixed by some microorganisms and which helps in our growth. We indirectly we take it, and combustion is a process in which something burns to produce heat and light. So in this way you have to do these questions. After that, define the following and answer short questions. I will give these questions in the next homework. Okay. I hope you have understood this question answers, few question answers and short questions of your book. Okay, do it in your short questions, you do it in your book only, and the questions and answers which I will give you to in homework, you will just copy it in your classwork copy, chemistry classwork copy, and send it to me for correction in time. Okay, thank you very much for watching this very much, students. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.